Same type of problem. Find the equation of a line. So y minus y1, m times x minus x1. We've got our y1 and x1. We got to have our slope. So we already know what our point is going to be. But our slope we have to kind of calculate here. And we don't really have to do math, we just have to use logic here. I want to be, if you see up here it says parallel to this line. Well, if I'm going to be parallel to this line, I have to have exactly the same slope. Think about a line going up at an angle. Any line parallel to it has to go exactly up at the same angle, otherwise they would cross. So since I have to be parallel to this one, I have to have the same slope as him. So now the problem becomes relatively easy. I want to find the line that goes through 0, -5 with a slope of -4. And now I'm going to be really observant here. I get tired of using this equation because we've done it so many times. I'm going to notice here, this is a special point. If you think about 0, -5, that's the y-intercept. That's your b value. You already know the b value. So if you think about y equals mx plus b, the line I want has a y-intercept of -5. And it's got a slope of -4. Y equals -4x minus 5. It's got the same slope as this line, so it's going to be parallel to it, and it certainly has that y-intercept. You'd be done right there. Now really quickly, had you gone further, and let's say you actually used this equation, you'd end up with y minus -5 equals m, which was -4, x minus 0. And so when you distribute the -4, you just get -4x. And when you bring this 5 over to the other side, you get -4x minus 5. But much easier to just observe they gave you the y-intercept.